It's not easy to make sure that what's on your to-do list is actually what's moving you forward as an entrepreneur, as a creator, and as a leader. Connecting all those small tasks with big picture goals is essential, and this one tool has helped me get there. I've been using the Full Focus Planner to stay focused and on track with my business for the past 3 years. So last year, when they reached out and asked if I'd like to try their new executive edition, I could not resist. This planner is shipped out in this gorgeous golden envelope, and once you open it up, you'll see the logo peeking through. I chose mine in executive coil in the black version, and let me tell you, it is a beauty. I can't get tired of seeing it every day. As you open the first page, you'll find a spot to record your name, last name, and your contact information, just in case you lose your planner, God forbid. As you turn to the page, you'll find the Start Here section with a list of resources that you can use, as well as a table of contents. Next is your annual goals page, where you record your annual goals for the year and assign quarters to each and every one of them. Next up is the goal details pages, where you can literally break down all of your goals into tangible actions. And I love this section because it really gives you a clear indication of how to plan for goal achievement, not just goal setting. The calendar pages offer an awesome space for tracking major projects throughout the quarter or the month, and just jotting down any appointments that you have going on and seeing everything from a bird's eye view. I love using this section to jot down individual projects, keep track of what's already completed, and also make sure that I'm not missing out on important appointments. And yes, I love using Google Calendars, but having something written down always helps me remember it. The rolling quarters pages make an awesome space for just seeing everything that you have going on big picture on your schedule for the entire quarter, whether it's events or important launches, meetings, or important events in your personal life. I love being able to track everything in one cohesive place. Next up are your daily rituals pages, and I honestly had no idea what a game changer it would be to set up morning rituals, workday startup rituals, workday shutdown rituals, and even evening rituals. It really helped me compartmentalize my personal life and my work life, especially because I work from home. So breaking everything down that I'm going to be doing throughout the day has really helped me identify what areas of my life I'm neglecting versus which areas I'm actually thriving in. It really provided a space for me to reflect and be intentional about every single day that I live out. Of course, you don't have to follow this to the T. It's just a great exercise. Next up, your ideal week. And this is an awesome place to jot down exactly how you would like your perfect ideal week to go. I really like this space for just jotting down what I want to accomplish throughout the day, but also give myself that balance that so many of us are looking for, especially now between a work life and personal life. I've really found time to do so many more things when I follow my ideal week schedule. And again, it's not something you need to follow to a T, more so a place where you can dream up what your ideal week should look like and a goal to aspire to as you continue to perfect your productivity system. The key projects section provides you with a place where you can just jot down key projects in more detail. I love using this space as well to keep track of projects for the quarter, and I take great pleasure in checking them off each month. The daily pages are the workhorse in this planner. It's where you're going to be planning your big 3 goals every single day, as well as smaller tasks. You can also keep track of what's been completed, what you need to defer, what you need to delegate, and what you just need to take off your list altogether. The notes section also provides a great space to just write ideas or brainstorm, or just use it like I do as a place to write down my gratitude practice as well as my goals. At the end of every week, you'll find your weekly preview pages where you get to take a look at what actually worked, what didn't, how far you got with your productivity, as well as plan the upcoming week with every single day and your top 3 goals for that week. These pages are probably my absolute favorite because they force me to not just plan ahead, but also take a look at what is actually truly moving the needle in my business. I get to not just take a look at what worked and what didn't, but also make notes of what I want to keep, improve, or start or stop doing. I can also see my personal to-dos as well as plan ahead for all of my professional tasks in the week ahead. Because we get to break everything down into individual dates, I really enjoy scheduling what I'm going to be doing every single day ahead of time. And of course, taking a big look at my weekly big three, which are the objectives that are going to advance my goals and projects the most. Finally, the self-care planner. I love this section because it really forces me to not just think about my business as this individual organization that lives and stands and breathes totally alone, but helps me to remember that, hey, I gotta take care of my body, my soul, and my spirit, as well as my relationships with others. And the space creates an intentional area to plan all of that out each and every week. At the end of your daily pages for the entire quarter, you'll find your quarterly preview. Here, you get to review everything that happened during the previous quarter. Were you able to catalog a bunch of wins? Also look at your after action preview. Were you able to complete the projects that you set out to do? What are some of the things that worked? What are some of the things that didn't? And what will you keep, improve, start, or stop doing? Next up, there's very clear steps on what to do next. You can review your life plan, go and take another look at your annual goal review, create your monthly calendar review, your ideal week review, your daily rituals review, and your new daily pages. Of course, there is tons of space for jotting notes, which I personally love. And right now, I'm using these pages to take note of the books that I'm reading right now. You'll also find an index page in case you want to take notes of where some of the important things that you wrote down in your daily pages are located. I find that really helpful. And really, that's the Full Focus Planner in a nutshell. My all-time favorite productivity sidekick to getting things done on time and without feeling totally overwhelmed. Whether you're planning your next big milestone in business, stepping into a new role, or just wanting to level up your productivity system, the Full Focus Planner will help you set actionable goals, keep track of the daily, weekly, and monthly tasks that'll help you achieve them, plus create a daily routine that's custom designed for your specific lifestyle. Not to mention, help you stay accountable and on track to hit every single one of your milestones and start your day with clarity and full focused energy. And that's what it's done for me. While this video is not sponsored, the Full Focus Planner team graciously gave me a copy of this amazing beauty for free. And they've also prepared a special discount code for you guys where you can get 10% off your next purchase. All the details will be in the description box below. Stay focused, stay ambitious, and stay productive. And speaking of productivity, we have an entire playlist full of amazing resources, tips, and strategies just like this video so that you can take your productivity system to the next level. Starting off with one of my favorite videos, our top 10 hacks for leveling up your productivity while you work from home. So I'll catch you over on that next video. Un beso, and I'll see you there.